So this is the video 2 for CIS 64 Intro to PHP for Shasta College. I realized I forgot to add something in the last video. So anyway, if you want to see for the homework assignment 4, the very last thing, like I should have showed you when we were doing this because I called it 4A, right? And when you choose your file and then you send your file, you receive it here. The file size is 29 bytes, right? But if you wanted to validate it, you should show after we send it, which I did in my first one, which is this line of code here. The server request equals post, print received, and then the file size is the file size. That particular piece of code. So back in 4A, that should go right here. But before I do that, let's see where I got that from. So that's right after the input, the submit. So that should be right here. But that would be back in here. I think. No, that's not it. Right here. So you copy that, store it in memory until the submit button is clicked. And it goes back to the PHP engine. And it says, okay, so if we copy that, it should print receive the file and the file size afterwards, which is what this is right here. So everything right here. So you can copy that. We'll go back to our PHP form, put that right below your input submit button, save that again, and we'll go back to our web server. Let's reload that. See, it already did it. So if we choose a file again, choose sample this time, and then we send it, and our size is 7. This is what's in our directory, and this is what is displaying in the sample, or sample text. So that is the everything from homework assignment 4. So that's video 2. That's some I forgot in the first video that I should have showed you in the first video. But anyway, if you want to see that how that fully works, so this is your HTML document here, your PHP, your server request, and your file name, all the way down to your submit button. And then it sends the file after you hit the submit. And then at the server, in the post, it said, okay, it's files received, and the user file, what file you sent, and it prints received the file. And you add a couple line breaks. Then you show the directory of the CIS 64 folder here. And this is a not equal to here. Not equal to. And that's explained in the chapter. You got another line break. Then you close the handle. Then the contents of your actual folder that you're using, since we're displaying the sample text folder, or file, I should say, then it displays the line 1, 2, 3. But if you wanted to display, whoops, if you wanted to display something else, like the counter, which had different information in it, that's where you'd put the name of the file right here. And then this is your line. So this is line, and then it's 1, and whatever the value of that line is here. So that's over here. You got line 1, line 2, and line 3. So anyway, that is the rest of CIS 64 homework assignment 4 for Shasta College PHP, Introduction to PHP. Thanks for watching. All right, bye.